A jury found 2 Aurora, Colorado paramedics charged in connection with the 2019 death of 23-year-old Elijah McClain guilty on Friday of criminally negligent homicide. Peter Cichuniec and Jeremy Cooper were accused of administering an excessive amount of ketamine to sedate McClain after an encounter with police on August 24, 2019. Cichuniec was also found guilty of assault in the second-degree unlawful administration of drugs. They were both acquitted of assault in the second degree with intent to cause bodily injury causing serious bodily injury. Cooper was found not guilty of assault in the second-degree unlawful administration of drugs. They both pleaded not guilty to their charges. Paramedics Jeremy Cooper, left, and Peter Cichuniec, right, at an arraignment in the Adams County District Court at the Adams County Justice Center January 20, 2023. Andy Cross, MediaNews Group. The Denver Post via Getty Images. FILEColorado Attorney General Phil Weiser said he was satisfied with the verdict and that more accountability was still needed. Elijah did nothing wrong that evening, his life mattered, and he should be here today. Accountability does not end with these trials, Weiser said in a statement. Too many times, we have seen people die when officers unnecessarily escalate situations that don't call for the use of force. We must continue our work to improve policing and emergency response and build trust between law enforcement, first responders, and the people they are sworn to protect. We must do all we can to prevent these tragedies, Weiser added. Ahead of the verdict being read on Friday, the judge noted that there have been high emotions in the case and urged people to use proper courtroom decorum. McClain was confronted by police while walking home from a convenience store after a 911 caller told authorities they had seen someone sketchy in the area. McClain was unarmed and wearing a ski mask at the time. His family says he had anemia, a blood condition that can make people feel cold more easily. When officers arrived on the scene, they told McClain they had a right to stop him because he was being suspicious. In police body camera footage, McClain can be heard telling police he was going home, and that, "I have a right to go where I am going." Officer Nathan Woodyard placed McClain in a carotid hold and he and the other 2 officers on the scene moved McClain by force to the grass and restrained him. When EMTs arrived at the scene, McClain was given a shot of 500 milligrams of ketamine for rapid tranquilization in order to minimize time struggling, according to department policy, and was loaded into an ambulance where he had a heart attack, according to investigators. McClain's cause of death, which was previously listed as undetermined, was listed in an amended autopsy report as complications of ketamine administration following forcible restraint. The manner of death remained listed as undetermined, as it was in the initial report.